Getting high-quality leads is hard, expensive, and usually a guessing game. Leads are the lifeblood of any online business, but for most people, getting high-quality leads is the biggest challenge. It costs money, it takes time, and it rarely works unless you know what you're doing. That's where most people get stuck. Funnels, content, ads, most just drain your time and budget. You've probably tried running ads, building a funnel, or posting content hoping someone signs up. But let's be honest, how often does that actually work? Most lead generation strategies are outdated, overcomplicated, or just plain broken. AI Lead Automator solves all that. Push one button, get real leads in seconds. That's why AI Lead Automator is so exciting. It's not just another tool, it's a game changer. With a single button, it delivers verified leads straight to you. You can use them for your business, promote offers, or sell them for instant profit. Who's it for? Literally anyone who needs leads. Affiliates, coaches, freelancers, side hustlers, agencies, digital marketers, and even complete beginners. If you've ever thought, I just need real people to talk to, this is exactly what you've been waiting for. Let's break it down. Choose your niche. Any niche you want. Click the button. Literally one push. Get leads instantly. No funnel, no opt-ins, no waiting. We tried it. Affiliate sales and lead buyers in less than 48 hours. We tested this in 3 different markets: digital marketing, health, and finance. Within 24 hours, we had multiple leads, 1 affiliate sale, and even someone offering to buy our list. That's day 1 validation. Let's get real. Pros and cons. Here's what stood out. Pro number 1, no setup required, none. Pro number 2, real leads instantly. Con, in hyper-competitive niches, you'll want to follow up fast. Pro number 3, no cost to start. This is plug and play. Day 1, income is real. Just send a few emails. One beginner emailed just 3 leads and made $97 in commissions. Another sold 15 leads for $75 using nothing but a PayPal invoice. It's working for people with no list, no experience, and no tech skills. No website, no ads, no delay, just press go. If you want leads today and you want a way to make money without building anything complicated, this is your moment. It's not hype, it's automation. Just click and collect. Click now to start your lead business in minutes. So what are you waiting for? Click the link above or in the description and grab AI Lead Automator before the price increases. The leads are waiting. Your business starts now.